In previous videos, we have reviewed and watched the complete production line of solar panel structure or CU channel profile. Now we want to go into more detail about the step-by-step inspection of this line. In this video, you can watch our line packaging system. After the forming stage, when the profiles are formed, the cutting machine cuts each profile to our desired dimensions, and this machine performs the packing operation. It is good to know that the entire production line, as well as this packaging machine, is manufactured by LOTOS Company, which manufactures roll forming and tube mill lines and supplies these machines in China as well as the global international market with the best quality and price. It should be noted that this machine is supplied as an open line and you can order it on your line, or, if not necessary and to save costs, complete your line with a cutting machine and a simple output product table. This packaging machine operates fully automatically and, without any manual intervention, carries out the process of transferring the cut profile to its arrangement and palletization. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was useful for you. We would be happy if you subscribe to our channel and like the video. This will help us to make better videos. For more information about the prices of the devices, you can contact us via email or our phone number, and also visit our website.